Magandang araw! Tara, biyahe tayo sa Badajos Cafe, 3948D, Malaking Tatyaw, Silang, Cavite. So yan, pasok lang tayo sa Silang Bayan. Maaari nyo rin naman po kaming hanapin sa Maps or Waze, ilagay lamang po ang Badajos Cafe. Ikaw ba ay manggagaling ng Imus or Bacoor? It takes 35 to 40 minutes, 32.26 kilometers. 13 Martires or General Trias, it takes 27 to 35 minutes, 22.81 kilometers. Or kung kaya naman galing kang Dasmariñas, Cavite, it takes 20 minutes, 17.27 kilometers. At para naman sa mga manggagaling ng Laguna, Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road, it takes 11 to 15 minutes, 10.7 kilometers. At para naman po sa mga manggagaling ng Alfonso, Tagaytay, it takes 34 to 40 minutes, 25.44 kilometers away. So this road is accessible going to Laguna via Calax. Kaya kung ikaw naman ay manggagaling ng Manila, nako, napakabilis ng iyong magiging biyahe. Just use SLEX and then enter Calax. Kung naghahanap ka ng cafe na nakaka-relax and will give you peace of mind, perfect ang aming cafe para sa'yo. We provide forest nature ambience. You will hear the birds humming, the coconut trees, plants, and green atmosphere. Cold weather, yes, sometimes foggy at night. So here in Badajos Cafe, we offer pika-pika, sandwiches and panini, salad and pasta, silog and sizzling steaks. Syempre, it goes well with our drinks. So we have hot coffee, iced coffee, cream base or coffee base fraps, milk teas, fruit soda, and milkshakes. So here we go, we arrive at Badajos Cafe. We have 12 car parks, ayan. Syempre for motor, we have a lot of spaces. Fur babies are also welcome. Ventilated area. We also have alfresco dining and a huge space in our main dining area. O diba, ang sarap sa mata. Big and tidy bathrooms and open bar. So ano pa nga ba ang hinihintay mo? Tara, ayain mo na ang jowa mo, friends mo, pamilya, kamag-anak, or kahit kapitbahay mo. Muli, 3948D, Malaking Tatyaw, Silang, Cavite.